The Marine Fisheries Management and Seabob Fisheries plans for 2022 to 2027, the brackish water shrimp training manual and safety equipment were handed over to the Fisheries Department at the Ministry of Agriculture's Regent Street office on Thursday. They come following an intense analysis of the fishing industry and through collaborative efforts of the World Wildlife Fund (WWF), the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), and the Fisheries Department. According to the WWF country manager Aisha Williams, the two plans, which were funded by Oceans 5, a project implemented and focused on illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing, will aid in addressing climate change. It also captures a number of areas that are important for the sector and its sustainability in terms of income for fisherfolk and their families, the country's economy and the catches.
It's important to have sustainability. So while the plan it addresses several areas. IUU, it addresses climate change, it even addresses gender and inclusion within the fisheries sector, and sets out a number of objectives and outcomes and actions where there can be sustainability, good management, enforcement, and to ensure that there is a productive sector that really maintains fish stock in a healthy manner.
Because the plans cover 2022 to 2027, the Fisheries Department has already started implementing the recommendations. It must be noted that these plans existed before 2022, but the WWF was asked to revise the plans and update the guidelines. Dr. Gillian Smith, the FAO country representative, said the training manual is specific to Guyana's brackish water shrimp production in Region 6, which is expected to expand to other regions.
We know that this industry has a lot of potential, and it has also already begun to show that potential. We've been also working with them on their efforts to increase the productivity, and we've been working with them on feed formulations as well as water quality. Two very important things that have to be considered when you are moving from a semi-intensive to a more intensive production model, as they are doing.
Dr. Smith said the implementation of these plans and the training manual directly deal with the fisherfolk who are actively carrying out their jobs on a day-to-day basis. For this reason, intense collaboration with these individuals was required. The subject minister, Zulfikar Mustafa, said these are very important documents because the fishing industry relies heavily on scientific recommendations and guidance for operations.
Now, these are very important documents for us. And when we look at the fishing industry, we have to take cognizance of the fact that we have to do it in a very scientific way. We have seen a steep increase in catches, especially in the seabob industry. We have seen a number of areas in the seabob industry that are very, very important for us, where we have seen increases, almost 100% increase in catches in the seabob industry. And also in the brackish water shrimp industry, we have seen increase from 10,000 kilograms when we started to approximately last year 90,000 kilograms. So that showed massive improvement for us.
A total of $349.6 million was allocated in the 2023 budget to support the further development of the local fisheries and aquaculture industry. Lazina Yearwood, reporting for the newsroom.